Hi, and welcome to our seventh week. This time we're going to do a window, one like from a restroom, like where it slides. Yeah, welcome to our 52-week challenge. Let's get started. So let's create a cube because I took it out. Oh, one thing I want to show you is um, let's just go back to normal here. If you press Shift D, um, let's say you go to the original and one and press like new material, and then we add a material to it. Let's go where we can actually see it. Um, it won't copy over the material, but let's say you press right click and then duplicate objects or duplicate linked, it will. So just be aware of that. Let's delete that and all of these. So Shift A, QB. All right, press 1. Then let's go to N here. Oh, press N so you can see this menu. And we're going to do 2, Y, let's see, 1.5, like that, and then 0.5, actually. 0.25 is good. Thickness. All right. And then tab. We're going to go to, no, we're going to just extrude, Shift D, right? Take snap off, and then press SY, press 1, make it a little smaller like this, then SY, and we're going to balloon out of it and do some Boolean work with this. So go to the original cube, Boolean, then press what you want to get out of here, then apply, delete this. Sweet. Okay, let's do some editing. And we are gonna add 2 sides here like that. And then Control R because we're gonna split it. So this face is gonna be the window, and this is just gonna be a repeat of that. So we're gonna add it over here when we're done. Let's go back to face mode. Shift D. All right. Then P, separate by parts. And then we're going to do tab, get out of that, press that, edit mode, press this over here, snap, and we're going to do face project. That's turned on, and we're going to do extrude E. Like that. Press 1. It's pretty well aligned. That's all we really need. Tab. Then we're going to do pretty much the same as we did for the other one. So this is Shift D, press 1, S. Oh, we have sizing issues. So go to Object with that selected, then set origin to origin center of mass. Sometimes we can just do origin geometry. Oh, and yeah, it works too. Okay, cool. Press 1, S, then SC, because we want it to be about even. That's good. Then SY, and let's take this out. Boolean. We could also do where, what's it called? We're just like extruding in and out, but there's always, to me, I always have to do like a little bit of, hey, I have to delete this face, I have to add these other faces so it looks nice, and I'd rather just do it like this. It's a lot faster for me. Like, you don't have to, I'm just showing you a different way. Apply. All right, let's delete this. And there we have it. Okay, cool. So now what we want to do is we're going to create a little glass here. So tab, faces, Control R here. We're going to do it to the side. Control R, and then we... Are we in the right place? Tab. Let's delete the other... Oh, well, make the other cube disappear. Tab, Control R. R. Oh, there we are. Nope, that's for the outside. What we want is the inside. I guess what we can do is edge mode instead. Maybe that'll change things. Control R. Oh, there we are. Okay. That is what we want, but we want to Control R. Separate like that. Escape. There we are. Let's just go press face mode. Press this, then Shift D. Right there we are. Press P. Lose parts. Tab. Get out of that, and let's create our glass. So then tab. Let's go to edit mode and go up. Make sure your snapping is still on for that. Press 1. So we're doing this right. E. All right there. Okay, that's good. Then press tab. Let's add a modifier. What's it called? A material to this, and we're actually just going to use something simple. So let's go with a glass, and then for this one over here, add another material, and this one's going to be maybe like a wood kind of thing, so that's fine. Let's go so we can actually see our materials. See, it's good. Okay, we can always add like a wood material to this or texture, but we're just going to make it really simple, so we're not going to do that. Then let's enter the cube. We're going to make this out of like a metal, so let's go to metallic, increase right here, roughness, low. We're gonna make this, let's make this like black. Okay, and then these two parts right here, we're gonna treat it as, let's see, I think we can just group them, but no, I'm just gonna copy them both. Shift T, G, no. Let me get rid of this snapping. I think that's what's causing my glitching right now. Shift D, all right. That too, press 1, GY, GX. We might need some incrementation here, or snapping, sorry. All right, GX. All right, that's good. And then GY. GY. Like that. Okay. I guess this would be the inside. This one would stay locked, and this one could actually move around. So we do something like this. Oh, yeah, we can treat it like as a new collection. That way we don't have to actually group it and lose things. New collection. New collection. All right, sweet. Yeah. There we are. All right, cool. but now we have our window, and it can slide. All right. So hope you like this. Hope that helps. But there's also add-ons for all this kind of thing. You just have to find it here in the and edit preferences, and I think you can build like staircases, windows, doors, bedrooms. Like if you have a floor plan, you can even create things out of that if I remember correctly. But overall, just find look it up. I'm sure you'll be able to find it. Okay, I should have edited this one part out, but anyway, sorry for ranting. Hope you like it. Till next time, and let's keep refreshing our skills.